Watermelon back there. We got Brother Air salad made by Brother Air. We got the fruit salad. We got the Mexican salad. So it's about to go down. So everybody.
The ingredients for the fruit salad are apples, pineapple, grapefruit, cherries, and shredded coconut. A person who is addicted to like everything about food, it engulfs all your senses because there's a lot of texture in it. There's a wide variety of color. There's a wide variety of taste. You get the sweet, you get the savory. You know, you get it pretty much all in that salad. And it also fills you up. Like you felt like you had a real meal. And if you did stuff yourself, like if you ate way too much because you just wanted to keep tasting it, but you weren't hungry, you're not gonna feel full like if you went out to some restaurant or had Thanksgiving dinner and just gorged yourself. You're gonna feel way different, and you're gonna have a wonderful elimination at the end of all of it. So it works out for everyone. That's the thing about being on this Mucusless Diet Healing System is it changes what your priorities are. You start to invest in different things and other things you don't even think about anymore. So you have more funds to get like a really good juicer or a really good. I chopped all of my ingredients. They're in a bowl, and I'm just mixing them because I know it's possible. Just succeed.
Renee Henry right